Whatever offer you have, the only way you can truly make money is to offer something, be it a product or a service. What are you working on right now? So in this video, we're going to talk about how much money do you need to earn to reach your financial goals. It doesn't matter how much you want to make. Let's not even look into 10 years. So you don't start talking about you trying to make $1 million in 10 years. Let's just go basic. Let's say you want to make $100,000 in a year. This should be attainable. How do you know you're going to meet this goal? The question is, what are you doing if you're not reaching this number? What are you doing differently right now to get a different results? Because I can tell you one thing for a fact. If you're doing whatever you were doing last year, and if you did not make this money last year, you definitely would not make this money this year. Okay, I can tell you, I can be a prophet right now prophesying to your future. How do you know you're on the right path? I don't care if you're in a service business or you're selling products. You have to know your numbers. If you don't know your numbers, you just might be working on the wrong thing. So part of what I teach my mentees is how to know your numbers, your hourly numbers, your daily numbers, your weekly numbers, your monthly numbers, so that you know if whatever you're doing right now is beneficial or is walking towards your goal. Does that make sense? Now let's look at this. Let's say you want to make $100,000 this year or in the next 1 year. You only have 365 days. So this is how you work it out. Nobody works 12 months. So what you want to do is divide this by 11,000. Remember, this is your goal number. Divide it by 11 months. What do you have, guys? $9,000.9. So this is what you need to make every month for you to be able to reach your desired goal at the end of the year. Now, if you divide this by 4 weeks rather, what do you have? 272.7 per week. Did I get it right? Now, if you divide this by 5 working days, it could be 6, but you always want to run your numbers at the worst case scenario, guys. We could have made this 12 months. We could have made this probably 6 days or 7 days, but we know nobody works that hard, okay? All right, so divide this by 5 days. What do you have? $454.5 per day, right? Now, divide this by 6 hours, even though I know you can work 6 to 10 hours per day. So divide this by 6 hours, $75.7 per hour. So you see, the only way you can truly make $100,000 is if by the end of the hour, you make $75 per hour, or you make $454.50 per day, or you make $2,772 per 70 cents per week, or you make up to $9,000 a month. So my question to you is, what are you working on right now? Be it a product or a service. Whatever offer you have, the only way you can truly make money is to offer something. Are you reaching these figures? And I'm speaking of profit. I'm not talking about your gross income, because if this is your gross income, then you're in trouble, because your business will take part of the money, your advertising will take part of the money, your employees and overheads will take part of the money. So are you making this amount of profit? If you're not, then you want to see my next video where I show you how to make a lot of money in a short period of time. Now, let's get to that video.